Welcome to TechIQ. In this video, we will learn about how to use Winbox. First of all, you download Winbox from MikroTIk website. Currently, I am download MikroTIk and open it. Go to neighbor and refresh. You can see your MAC address and IP address. Select MAC address or IP address. Enter username and password. Right now no any password, so user is admin. Here you can create your IP address. Select your interface and tag your interface. Go to interface and tag interface description as well. Now we have to reopen MikroTIk. Winbox is application to open MikroTIk router. You can access MikroTIk using IP address. My username is admin and password is blank. Interface is up. You can also save your session as well. Autosave on close session is activated in this MikroTIk. You can select hide password, add time, add date, add CPU, add memory, add uptime. All those things you can add from desktop, or you can download from dashboard as well. You can see all things here. You can set all things from quick set as well. Take your IP address, subnets, gateway, DNS, all those things you can set from quick set. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe TechIQ.